Ah yes, the Powerwheel. It was everyone's first electric car. I remember growing up, and if you were the kid on the block that had one of these, you were the coolest kid ever. But now that I'm an adult, when I see these things, I'm just like, man, these are pretty slow. So let's go fix that. Hi, I'm Eric, and this is Try Not to Break Anything, and today I'm going to show you what it looks like when you put a 40-volt battery inside of a Powerwheel. So this won't be a how-to video, but I wanted to show you the setup. Here's a 3D printed part that you can find that you can put the 40-volt battery in. And also to the right of that is the pulse width modulator knob that actually controls the width of the pulse that is being sent from the 40-volt battery to the actual motors. And when you pop up in the back, that's where you can see the pulse width modulator that I've installed. And it connects directly to where the old battery used to go. Now, once the battery's installed, you just turn the knob to control the amount of pulses it's going to be sending per second. And without getting too technical, basically the higher the number, the faster it's going to go. And without further ado, here's some videos of my son going uncomfortably fast.
Let's just take it to 70%. Go.